Welcome to the Tech for You 2022. Are you tired of being stumped by Python language? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're going to show you how to install Python software in your laptop. Yes, you heard that right. So grab your popcorn and let's get started. Installing Python on Windows takes a series of few easy steps. Step 1. On the web browser, in the official site of Python, move to the Download for Windows section. Step 2. Click on the Downloads tab and then select the Windows option. Step 3. Then select latest version. Since I am using a 64-bit system, I'll select Windows x86-64 executable installer. Step 4. Then go to Downloads, click on Downloaded file. Step 5. Click Install now. Step 6. Once the installation is complete, the below pop-up box will appear. Setup was successful. Step 7. Python was successfully installed. If you want to check is Python installed in your laptop or not, then open Command Prompt. Step 8. Type Python. The version of the Python which you have installed will be displayed if the Python is successfully installed on your Windows. And that's it, folks. You now know how to install Python language in your PC. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech for You 2022 tips and programming puns.